Good morning. Welcome to Breakfast with John Kay and Sally Nugent.
Hello there, 6 o'clock. Here are our headlines.
You might be able to tell we're feeling a little bit Christmassy today. Well, some of us are. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean,
You're not
it's
so
good.
much.
Well, I love the tree. For me, it's a little bit early.
Oh, stop.
But I'm the only person in the building who thinks that. Everybody
Yeah.
else is well into it, so
We
I'll go
love
with it.
the tree, and
Majority
things are
wrong.
getting Christmassy across the land, John, because I can tell you our next story sounds like the plot of a festive family movie. Because a runaway reindeer has been found safe and well after he snuck away from work for a little... Buddy, honestly...
That's done it. I'm now full of Christmas spirit. It's never too early for a tree. Should have done it 2 weeks ago, as far as I'm concerned.
There we go.
Right, 13 minutes past 6. We need to get the weather. Now, 2 former heads of UK Special Forces have been accused of suppressing evidence of war crimes. The claims were made at a public inquiry examining allegations of unlawful killing by the SAS in Afghanistan.
A senior officer who can't be named told the hearings that the leadership of the Special Forces knew there was a problem but did nothing. Our correspondent Richard Bilton reports. It's 18 minutes past 6. Let's have a look at this morning's newspaper. Now, from reducing the cost of development to speeding up the pace of productions, industry insiders say the benefits of artificial intelligence to the film industry could be limitless.
Despite the opportunities, though, professionals have previously taken industrial action over the use of AI, amid fears that the technology could pose a risk to jobs. Our artificial intelligence correspondent, Mark Chislak, reports.
Scary or amazing, I'm not sure which.
It really is, isn't
Yes,
it? Just
so
a few prompts and you can just design what would have taken weeks, months in the studio, getting it all ready, yeah.
We don't need that, though, do we? Because we're our own gorgeous studio.
Is it real?
Yeah,
It is
totally real, folks.
We're really here for you. You are watching BBC Breakfast, live from Salford. It's time now to get the news, the travel and weather where you are, don't we? I'm laughing nervously because, Matt, I've heard it's going to be really wet. Is that right today?
Indeed, yes.
Thank you very much indeed, and I know you're going to keep us posted throughout the morning about that heavy rainfall.
I will indeed.